Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to feature the Lucky Charm Kit from Double Dip. Now, I'm pretty sad the fact that this package was lost for probably about a week and a half. So I was supposed to feature this kit a long time ago, enough time to where this kit itself could be purchased and then you can add on the stickers, but the kit will be discontinued tomorrow or today. Whenever you're seeing it, it'll be Wednesday the 10th. However, you can still buy them individually. We are going to swatch all of these bad boys. So first up is Saint Nicholas, and this looks like a flat green. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love me a good green. Green is one of my favorite colors. I feel like a lot of people are not green people. However, I am for sure. Okay, just applying a thin layer. And the great thing about using gel is you don't have to worry about the glue drying before you're ready to cure. I love me a good, oh, I touched the side. That you do have to worry about. Okay, going to cure that. Next up is Wool Mittens. And this looks like your limey green. Ooh, is there glitter in this one? There is gold glitter in this one. Okay, how am I supposed to do, okay, I have ideas. They're definitely going on my nails. I have one other St. Patrick's Day tutorial, and I have one in my head with this already thinking things through. Oh my. Do we need a moment? I need a moment. Next up is Be Fierce, and this one looks like it's a chunky glitter. Is this a gold? I bet you this is the gold that I have been seeing all over their forums. I don't know if you guys know, they do have a forum, like a Facebook group, that I'm pretty active in too. I'm so here for a gold. Look at this gold glitter. I'm thinking this one might be a double coverage. I might shake this one up a little bit because I did notice a lot of it was clear. Next one is Cloudburst, which is also a green. This one might have silver. You guys know I love me some glitters. I don't have many glitters in dip powders, so this is exciting. Yeah, see, with gel, I usually pour on gel, and you can see in the front it's just all clear instead of actually getting the glitter. And that's exactly what I did with the gold too. Next up we have White Gleam. Ooh, that has like a pinkish purple iridescent in it. Let me turn you down. Probably should have had you down a lot earlier. Yeah, this has a pink purple in it. I love it. All right, last one is Victoria Cameo. And this one looks so pretty too. I'm gonna do a second coat of these off camera, so we're not here wasting everybody's time, just as an FYI. The hollow in that. All right, let's get to the nail decals. So this is SP1 for St. Patrick's Day 1. And we have, oh, look at the beards. Okay, so cute. This one would look so good with that darker color, that St. Nicholas color. And I really, really, really like these danglies, whatever they're called, like waterfall. Kiss Me I'm Iris, that's so cute. And then this is St. Patrick's Day 2 or SP2. And this one is, whoop, sorry, out of frame. The like vine. Do these glow in the dark? They look like they're gonna glow in the dark. There's just something telling me they glow in the dark. They do. Okay, so these glow in the dark. Do any? I don't think so. What made me think that these glow in the dark, I don't know if you're gonna see it, but there's like right here, there's a random spot there, and there. These were from SP1, and then these are the SP2 ones, and they all glow in the dark. This one is totally giving me like Peter Rabbit into Easter. So like if you needed like a transitional set, you could totally go with this. I'm loving these. I totally have to use these. All right, I gotta think of something to do because I'm gonna use these, and yeah, I'm excited. Oh yeah, let's get to the colors. All right, we'll bring you back up. So I did 2 coats, and these are the colors and glitter, and then I did the matte on the other side as well. So as you guys saw, they are stunning. So from my right to left, so we have Be Fierce, which is your gold, and then we have White Gleam, and I think this one is my favorite with the gold. I mean, whole mittens. I'm gonna say wool mittens. Victorian Cameo, St. Nicholas, and then Cloudburst. So, needless to say, these are some really nice colors, and I'm really excited. I wish I had them earlier, but of course, my post office lost them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. Again, they are available individually, but they are in a package if you get here before tomorrow or today, whenever you are watching this. And my coupon code still applies to packages or group like kits. Totally mind blocked on that. It's because it's late. This literally arrived. I don't want to talk about it. I'm so mad. Anyway. So Vanessa 20 is for 20% off your entire purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.